This is our GenStone project here in the mountains in Cloudcroft, New Mexico. As you can see, we have a 1 by 1 inch black metal to accent the walls. The cutting was easy. I used 1 1/4 inch drywall screws. As you can see, the pieces came out really nice. It looks fantastic. You can see the black 1 inch by 1 inch on the edging here. If I can get around. There it is right there. Just to kind of accent the black railing that we have. And over there on top with the white. It was fairly easy to cut. 2.5 hours for this project. Zach did a tremendous job on measuring. When I sent him the measurements of this, we had the right amount of material. We're really happy with it. Everything came out really, really good.